Okay, everyone. Today, welcome. First, I will welcome all to attend our workshop. This workshop is about the conference in SPML 2024 and the fourth international conference on signal policy and machine learning. So this workshop we will have a topic about the machine learning based smart sensing and application. So thank you for everyone to attend here. Okay, I will introduce about our workshop firstly. So this workshop is held by cultural engineering. So you are all here, and now. Okay, you can see this workshop, they have a background. So we say that the machine learning and the smart sensing technologies now is very hot, and also is also for the smart system, and such as the deep learning mode, and also the flex sensing, and also battery-free sensing, and also have some cell power sensing. And many you can also have many signal processing technologies. So according to this, many technologies have not updated. So we have been appeared, and also they have also applied in many areas. So it has smart things, smart applications. So here we have organized this workshop, and in workshop we will examine some of the recent publications in leading journals. Yes, there are many research topics about the smart sensing and also machine learning based applications. So they will have also common machine learning model and also some smart sensing topics, or maybe have some implications for machine learning, and also some smart sensing technologies in many applications. For example, in the industry, in agriculture, and also maybe medical and so on. Yes. So this workshop we will also introduce some machine learning and also smart sensing technology for many in smart agriculture. For example, the food monitoring, and also some smart agricultural monitoring. And these scholars, so we have this workshop in here. For example, we have many students about the doctor and also master students, and also some researchers, yes, from everywhere in China, yes. Okay, they have maybe some from different kind of the disciplines, and also they have interested in the machine learning, and maybe and also some research about smart sensing technology and applications. So this workshop is just have this background, so we are all here now, okay? So this workshop, so we have a goal so that we can see that how to efficiently improve our skills and also performance of the machine learning and smart sensing ability, and how to apply the machine learning and smart sensing in different areas. So this is our topics, and this is also our goals of this workshop. And this finally we can have creating a smart and also sustainable city societies. So this workshop provides this overview about these technologies and also the applications about these technologies to sharing some research, maybe newest research, and also maybe some newest, maybe advanced technologies, so that we can discuss together here. Okay, so we can have maybe general field version about the promotion machine learning based smart sensing in everywhere and in many applications we have done and we have made in our daily life. So in this, I will actually give an example in some of the smart sensing network in wireless sensor network, because the wireless sensor network is a very hot topic in many applications. Wireless sensor network serves and could collect the data and send them to the end user via wireless and multi-hop network. So it has a low cost, mobility, and also flexibility, and also the deployment for many different applications or in actual situations. And but you know, the wireless sensor could have many sensors. These sensors, they have measured data also, yes. So how to use this sensor data, and also how to monitor it and build, for example, in food quality and safety is very important. So we need to use the AI, for example, the deep learning method. Maybe they could have more promising ways to improve and also have a high improvement of the usage of the data. So this is an example. So we have a dual research about deep learning based wireless visual sensor system for Xinqing mushroom sorting. Mushroom sorting, they have many, they have many nutrition and also values. And they needed to sorting based on the surface textures. And they can have a different of the types of mushrooms. So we can have sort the harvest mushroom according to their qualities. So this is an example application in our workshop I will first introduce for us. So based on this problem, so we can see there are many A, B, C, and they have different of the image. So how to know this is which brown, which is brown, which brown? So we need to have a different sorting. So we can use the smart technologies. Just we have deep learning based system, such as we have the block diagram of the visual sensor model, and we have various deep learning models, which inside the GPU memory and the CPU remote sense terminal. And this is we have based on the EFT32 and the hardware, so we can have a camera. They can get the image of the mushroom, and they can also send the image into via the wireless sensor network, wireless visual sensor system to get the image. And then how to realize the sorting? So we need to use a deep learning model. This deep learning model, for example, from the mushroom, we can get the image by the camera in the production line, and then we can obtain their mushroom images. So we can use the deep learning model in the computer. Then we can know which is A, which is B, and which is A. So this is for the same sorting examples. So this deep learning, they have data set and present image. So we can use the camera to get the 100 mushrooms and 301 samples. And then you can use the image to inside the deep learning models. So we can get the different kind of results of the network training. And this, so we need to have the images and the reduction to improve the diagnosis method, to use in this machine learning, because it can effectively reduce the risk of overfitting by neural network model. So this is the example. You can see we have used the random elixir. So they can know which, and we can improve the accuracy of the deep learning model. And this is, you can see this structure of visual transformation by the deep learning model. So we can have an image here, and then they can visual transform, and then decoder, and then send it encoder here. So this is deep learning model we have used for the mushroom and also for deep learning application. This is the results of the different of the transformation results we can see here. And this is also the training curves of the VIP, for example, the loss curves of the training and validation set. So results, you can see that it has a stable and high accuracy in the textual identification of the mushrooms, And also the loss curve decreased rapidly during the training, and the training time was short. So this could well match the actual sorting situations. So this is all accurate of the mushroom sorting, which could be 98.453%. And we can have these different results about by the deep learning models. So you can A, B, C, they have different accuracy, and they also have some about the time and the validation losses. So the results above show that this deep learning based sensor system could efficiently and also accurately complete the work of mushroom sorting. And it can doubly also ensure the production efficiency in actual situations and with the deep learning models. So the network by the deep learning model has good application in simulation applications. So you can see this is example for just the deep learning for the sorting of the mushroom. So this is an example, so we can also discuss for others according to your research. So in this workshop, we can discuss more about the research, about the deep learning model, about smart sensing system, and all okay for this workshop. So we can see about the future development about the deep learning with just a simple conclusion or maybe simple extension about the smart sensing. So maybe in future, the flex sensing would be a technology for the smart system, battery and also non-destructive, and also maybe some available sensing, for example, for the fruits, for the food, and for human, and for many animals or plants. It's okay. And also finally, we can have the more smart AI models. So these are all maybe for the future, we can have all these together, include them together for smart sensing, for about this system, for the smart sensing, maybe machine learning, AI, and also for smart sensing system in future. So there will be a big future, and also maybe a bright future. Yes. Okay, this is just a simple introduction about our workshop and also some examples about the machine learning in food monitoring, or maybe we can discuss more about the applications in our actual situations. Okay, thank you.